Howdy everyone, Tommy here with Gavins Point Rec, bringing you one of the best bang for buck options when it comes to a mid-pro fifth wheel. The Arcadia Select here, loaded with features including the Girard tankless on-demand water heater and the industry's best 3-year structural warranty. Stepping into the 27 SBH floor plan, we've got room to sleep all of your friends or family, starting with the triple double bunks in the rear here. You also are going to have the full height wardrobe cabinet. Inside the living area, you can see we've got this massive U-shaped dinette that is going to convert into a bed. And behind me, we've got the Thomas Paine sofa. Up front, you are going to have a queen size bed in the bedroom up there with dual nightstands.